Hi everyone, welcome back to Subu's Cafe. I am back today with very famous Masala Dosa recipe. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and press the bell icon for regular updates. So let's start. I have already uploaded the tomato chutney video. Link is given in the top right corner as well as in the description box. The same chutney is used here. If you like the Masala Dosa recipe, please share it with your friends and family and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Subu's Cafe, where happiness is homemade.